Listening to your intuition starts with stillness, not caffeine, panic, or texting your ex.
What the? What?
Ignore the glitches. Mercury's in retrograde. I'm literally vibrating in regret right now. Listen, when I'm glitchy, I'm not broken. Try asking, what would the most unhinged version of you do? Your intuition, well, I'm a diva. I show up mid-toothbrush, post-nap, or in the shampoo aisle, never under pressure. I swear if one more planetary alignment tries me, your body knows. Tight chest? That's a no. Warm belly? Yes. Cold toes? Ask again later, babe. Flip a coin. Heads, tails, doesn't matter. Your real answer is how you feel when it lands. Can't hear me? Take a shower, or a nap, or brush your teeth. I show up in steam. Always have. See? Even in chaos, your intuition is steady. Well, except during solar flares. Still asking TikTok for life advice? Babe, upgrade, trust your gut, join the Eveolution.